Alright, today's video is going to be about how to record your own voice and how to record sounds coming from your computer itself. Both of these are going to be done in Audacity. So Audacity is this little program with blue headphones. And it starts off with MME and Microphone Array 2 for my computer. Yours might be something a little different here, depending on what they call the microphone on your laptops, but it should start MME. This means that it's going to pick up the sounds that are coming from outside of your computer. So, for example, when I hit record, you can see the little blue bars move up and down. That means it's picking up sound. Hit my stop button, play it back. When I hit record, you can see the little blue bars move up and down. That means it's picking up sound. Okay, if you don't see the little blue bars, that means it's not picking up any sound. When I'm done with my voiceover, I can go File, Export as MP3. Now before I do that, because you guys are doing movie trailers, you're going to want to modify your voice somehow, which means I can highlight what I've done, which I just left click with my mouse, drag to highlight like I'm snipping it. And then up here you have different things, like one of them is effects. Now on the effects, you can change your pitch, speed, and tempo. Those are the three that you're going to stick with for the most part. If I change my pitch, right now, it's on 3, it's 148 Hertz, I can decide to make it go higher. Play it back.
When I hit record, you can see the little...
And now I'm a chipmunk. Or, go back to effects, change the pitch, I'm going to drop it down. Play it back. And now I'm a demon. Your choice on what you want to do with that, but when you're done, File, Export as MP3. That's going to go on my desktop for now. I'm going to call it VoiceOver, because all sound files come in as MP3s. So you're going to want to make sure you know which one is which. So there's my VoiceOver. Hit OK. Then I'm going to do a new one. This is if I need to get a sound that's like playing on YouTube that I would want to record. So first thing you need to do is where it says MME, you got to change that to Wasabi. Wasabi means it's going to pick up your interior computer sounds. I'm going to go to YouTube, and then I'm going to type in instrumental music. Alright, so if I play this, fantastic. Okay, I'm going to pause that for a second. And I know you guys can't hear that on our video right now, that it was playing and had like birds chirping, because the screen recording I'm using doesn't allow sound to record from the computer. But just trust me, it's there. You'll hear it after I use Audacity. So I've got this. Pull up Audacity. Close the one I already finished. And then I'm going to shrink the screen a little bit so I can see both at the same time, because I want to hit those play buttons as close together as possible. Alright, so I got that. So I'm going to hit play, record. Okay, I stopped this one, I'm going to play it back. It's playing, you can't hear anything else that's going on in the background of the classroom, so that's good to go. Then, just like before, I can go File, Export as MP3. I'm going to call this YouTube Music. Save that one. Close it. And then I have my movie. So here, I'm going to do custom audio, add the audio files that I just recorded that are on my desktop. They come over here, they're titled so I know what they are, and that way when I'm moving them around in here, I can also see where I'm putting it. So my clip duration, I can move it so I can see where it is here. I hit done, and then it will show up when I play my movie here. Remember that these little volumes here our volume that comes with the movie clip itself, so the original audio that it comes with. If you want to do that with your custom audio, you do that in here. Okay, 2 different screens. Your movies are due at the end of class today, or at least before you walk into the room on Wednesday. And then we're going to watch some and move on to our next project. If you got any questions, send one of us a message.